Welcome to VotingApp. Once you've received your email with your VotingApp details, click on the links to download VotingApp from either the Apple app or Google Play stores. Once the app has been downloaded, open it up. VotingApp will require you to have a lock screen enabled on your phone. When it asks you to start a new election, either copy and paste the code from your email into the text box and then select Submit, or you can scan the QR code in the email to activate the election. Now VotingApp will ask you for identity credentials to prove your eligibility. Only one user can use VotingApp on a single device. Once your verification has been confirmed, you will be able to review your voter input code and go to your ballot. Now, more information on the input code can be found on the page in VotingApp or in your VotingApp User's Guide, for which you've received a link in your email. From the receipt page, select Go to My Ballot. You will be presented with instructions, and once you've read the instructions, select View My Ballot. And now you're presented with your ballot or your contest list. All the contests in which you're eligible to vote will appear on this list, and select a contest to make a selection. On the top of the app, you will see a strip with additional features. The receipt code in the upper left corner is dynamic, and it changes as you make selections. The code will be on your final receipt. For a deeper dive for more information, check your user's guide. Next to the receipt code is a menu that allows you to adjust visual accessibility settings, such as contrast, color inversion, and text size changes. The button next to that takes you to a menu that allows you to enable an audio ballot. This is an accessibility feature that can enhance the voting experience for voters with disabilities. Once you're in a contest, you can make your choice and vote for as many candidates that are allowed in that contest. Overvote protection is built in, preventing you from accidentally changing your vote. To make a change, simply deselect before you reselect. You can navigate the ballot by going from contest to contest. Or you can return to the contest list view and view the entire list to access specific contests. Once you're done voting, you'll be presented with a ballot summary screen. This will allow you to review your choices before submitting. If you'd like to change a selection, simply select the View button next to that selection and you'll be taken directly to that contest. When you're satisfied with your selections, select Submit My Ballot. Now, for the protection of your ballot and to ensure that nobody else has gained access to your phone in case you've decided to take a break and return to the ballot at a later time, you'll be asked to reconfirm your identity. Simply enter those same credentials that were asked at the beginning of the process in again. Now you'll be asked to view and sign an affidavit. After reading the affidavit, enter your signature and select Submit My Ballot. If for some reason you're physically unable to sign due to a disability, select the button on top. You'll be notified that your ballot has been submitted successfully, and that's it, you voted. You can either select Done or View Receipt. When viewing your receipt, you will see the voter input code and the receipt code that we were discussing earlier. To verify the status of your ballot, click the link on the receipt page. You can find out more information on the receipt codes and statuses by selecting the Learn More button. With VotingApp, your vote is secure, verifiable, and uncompromised. And unlike standard return methods, nobody, not even the elections office, will be able to identify you with your ballot. And now you're all set. When you want to return to VotingApp to check your status, you can do it at any time. Your election is listed right there on the main page.